Hey everybody! Today we're going to be talking about the National Archives website, or archives.gov. That's one of the great things about technology and the invention of the internet, is that you used to have to go to Washington, D.C. if you wanted to take a look at what was in our National Archives, but now you can just look it up online, which is really cool. The National Archives and Records Administration is an independent agency of the United States government charged with the preservation and documentation of government and historical records. And this is important, publishing the legally authentic and authoritative documents, copies of acts of Congress, presidential directives, and federal regulations. So let's take a look around. This is the home page here. Let's go to America's Founding Documents. That's right up our alley. Let's look at the Constitution here a little bit. We can read the transcript. We can view in the National Archives catalog. Let's just learn more. We can read some articles about the Constitution, questions and answers pertaining to the Constitution. We can get into the amendments, the Bill of Rights. Over here on the search bar, we can look through anything that looks interesting, piques our curiosity, high-resolution downloads. We can do main page, or we can just look any document we might want to take a look at. We can do Emancipation, Proclamation, see what comes up. We can read about the Emancipation Proclamation here. We'll get some images of the original, get transcript again. We can look at some of these other links, learn more about it. Or we can just go to the A to Z index to look up anything that might pique our interest. If it loads, here we go. A through Z, anything that looks interesting. Let's do the Civil War. We can begin our research, request copies of records. We can look anything up here we like. Let's begin our research, and all this information is going to come up. All these records, publications, Confederate records, Union records, compiled military service records, pension records, record of events, all this awesome information. Let's see. Often requested records, we can look at the side here. World War I, take a look at that. World War I topics, diversity, training the soldier, on the home front, on the battlefield, personalities, technology, innovation, all this stuff. A timeline, that's really helpful. We can take a look at all Archduke assassination. We can look at all this good stuff. Watch some videos, see some pictures. Archives.gov is really cool. You can use it to search any document you could want that's public record, and would be really helpful just for your own curiosity, or if you're working on a project later on down the line. This is a really good resource to use. All right, talk to you later.